In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Microsoft Excel on your laptop, whether you need it for work, school, or personal use. Excel is a fantastic tool for managing and analyzing data. Depending on your needs, preferences, and budget, there are a few different ways you can get Excel. Let's explore each option together so you can choose the one that fits you best. First, let's look at how you can use Excel for free right in your web browser, which is a convenient option if you prefer not to download anything. Start by opening your browser and heading over to office.com. Here, you'll need to sign in with your Microsoft account. If you don't have one yet, you can create it right on the spot. Once you're signed in, you'll be redirected to the Office web app dashboard. From there, simply click on Excel to launch the web-based version of the application. While this option doesn't cost a dime, just keep in mind it offers fewer features compared to the desktop version. However, for light to moderate tasks, it should work just fine. Now, if full functionality is what you're after, you might want to consider downloading the full Excel app as part of a Microsoft 365 subscription. To do this, head over to Microsoft365.com or Office.com and log in with the account associated with your subscription. Once you're signed in, navigate to your account dashboard and look for the section labeled Install Office. When you find it, click Install or Install Apps to kick off the download of the Microsoft 365 installer. After it's downloaded, open the installer file. If you're using Windows, launch the installer and follow the step-by-step prompts until the installation is complete. If you're on a Mac, run the .pkg installer from your Downloads folder and proceed through the setup instructions. Once installed, you can launch Excel from your Start menu if you're using Windows or from your Applications folder on a Mac. Remember to sign in to activate the software fully. Lastly, if you'd prefer not to have a subscription and instead want a standalone version, there's an option for you as well. Microsoft offers Office 2024 as a one-time purchase, which includes Excel along with other Office apps. Once purchased, you can install it on your laptop and use it indefinitely without worrying about recurring subscription fees. This choice is ideal if you plan to stick with the same version for a while and want to have access to popular Office programs without ongoing costs. And there you have it, 3 different ways to get Microsoft Excel on your laptop. Depending on whether you prefer using a web version, subscribing to a service, or making a one-time purchase, one of these options should suit your needs. I hope this guide has been helpful, and whichever method you choose, you'll be ready to tackle your data with ease. Thanks for watching, and happy excelling!